cause it goes to bed at 9. I don't wanna be in Bowling Green because it's plastered all the time. I don't wanna be in Lima cause there's nothing there to do. I just wanna spend some time with you. I don't wanna be in Cincy cause it smells like burning tires. I don't wanna be in Cleveland cause the lake will catch on fire.